Welcome to another exclusive tour from La Paz Yachts, your trusted yacht brokerage here in the heart of the Sea of Cortez. Before we step aboard this incredible Fountaine Pajot Helia 44, remember to subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social networks. It is the best way to stay updated on the finest boat deals and professionally maintained listings in Mexico. Today, we are looking at a vessel defined by elegance, light, and an exceptional level of professional care. This Fountaine Pajot Helia 44 is powered by reliable twin Volvo diesels that offer smooth, confident passage. For your peace of mind, both engines and their sail drives underwent a major overhaul in 2025. With 3-blade aluminum propellers, this is a yacht that isn't just beautiful. She is mechanically primed for the open sea. Ascending to the top deck, the Helm station is a masterclass in ergonomics. The dedicated walkway separates sail controls from the helm itself, allowing the captain to work the manual and electric winches with total precision. The original mainsail and genoa remain in good condition, offering the balanced performance Fountaine Pajot is known for. The sun deck unfolds forward with custom cushions midships and double trampolines, the ultimate sanctuary for soaking in the Baja sun. The heart of the Helia is the aft deck dinette, a light-filled space that comfortably seats 10 for alfresco dining. This flows seamlessly into the gourmet lab. Through large sliding doors, the galley reveals a 4-burner propane stove, a separate oven, and a premium refrigeration suite with both vertical and 2-drawered units. With ample counter space and a clever sliding window, the chef can prepare meals while staying connected to the guests outside, allowing for a celebrity chef-style presentation directly into the cockpit. Inside, the clever architecture continues. The forward lounge and spacious chart table provide a quiet corner for business, while the salon table can be adjusted to create an extra berth for guests. Comfort is paramount, regardless of the latitude. The interior is fully climate controlled by 5 independent air conditioning units. Down in the halls, 4 equally spacious cabins feature double beds and 4 ensuite bathrooms. With pressurized hot water and electric heads, the experience is more akin to boutique hotel than a traditional catamaran. Beyond the luxury, this boat is engineered for true independence. The electrical system is built around a robust 11-kilowatt Kohler generator and well-maintained battery bank, providing dependable power for all your onboard needs, whether at anchor or connected ashore. At the bow, a powerful windlass manages a primary Bruce anchor with over 100 feet of chain and line, supported by a Danforth spare for total security. Outfitted for offshore passage making with a life raft, life ring, and 8 automatic bilge pumps, this Helia 44 is a turnkey opportunity, professionally maintained and ready to set sail from La Paz today. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of paradise. Contact La Paz Yachts for a private showing and see where your next adventure begins.